Dear students, our today's topic is careers in biology. In this topic, we study why we study the biology and what is its reward. What are the different pathways or different uh, fields which we can adopt, which we can choose as our future in the after studying the biology. There are different fields like medicine and surgery. We can study the biology in higher classes and get the MBBS degree. We can adopt the field which is the fisheries, in which we study about the fishes and can improve our economics. We study the plants and in the agriculture university. After studying the biology, animal sciences, when you study animal sciences, we make a veterinary doctor, horticulture, forestry, farming. All these are the professions which we can adopt after studying the biology in higher classes. But medicine and surgery, it is a very important profession which every student want to get it or want to adopt it. First is the field of medicine. Field of medicine is related with the diagnosis and treatment of human disease. In surgery, the effective part of the body are repaired, replaced, or removed. Other can choose the profession of same course MBBS after studying biology at higher secondary level. Mean the medicine and surgery, it can be we can study when we study the biology in higher classes. We adopt the field of pharmacology, in which we study about the medicine. Medicine is an important for the body of a living organism, because when the main complaint of a human being is the disease are first diagnosed, and their treatment is can be cured by their disease can be cured by the medicine. So when we have the knowledge of the preparation of the medicine and apply to the people, we can this process can be done with the help of the medicine. When we study about the medicine and how this medicine reach up to the doctor and how this medicine is reach up to the patient, this process can be occur with the help of the study of medicine. And surgery, when there is the part of the body after in which the defective part or the diseased part, it is removed from the body by the operation. This can be done only by a doctor, and this can be done by a doctor which is having the MBBS degree. So when we study the biology in higher level or secondary level, after that we can choose the field of MBBS, pharmacology, or other related fields. Same is the fisheries. Fishery is a profession in which we can uh, rise the uh, number of the fishes, mean which we can rise the production of the fishes. We know that the population increases day by day. Due to this increase in population, the food necessities also increases. So fisheries is a profession in which we increase our need of the food, which is the seafood which is increased. When we study about the fisheries knowledge, we have the fisheries knowledge, because in fisheries we study about the fishes production, their egg hatching, their habitats, their disease, their nutrition requirement. This, when we increase these all these things, we increase the production of the fish. Due to this, our economy of the country will also increases, and the need of the people will also fulfill. Fishery is the profession related to the production of fish. Fisheries managers work in fish hatcheries. Hatchery is the place where the fishes lay their eggs and study fish habitats. And the habitat is a place where the fishes live, and it is a aquatic habitat. Nutrition requirement, genetics, and disease. to raise feed production mean when we study about all their nutrition requirement, their genetics mean how they lay their eggs and their disease to protect them from different disease. This all when we study about all these things, we raise the fish production. One can adopt this career after completing a bachelor or master degree in zoology. So when we take our degree in zoology after completing our bachelor degree or master degree, we can go through this field, which is the fisheries. Next is the agriculture. Agriculture, as its name shows, it is related with the plants. You know, the in Pakistan, the population is increasing day by day, and the need of the food is also increasing. We depend for our food on different crops and livestock. In agriculture, the students, when after studying the biology in higher secondary level, they take admission in the agriculture universities, in which they study about the plants to grow more healthy plants, to increase their number. They